To send Ethereum from Shakepay, you need to have an account and some Ethereum in your Shakepay wallet. First, log into your Shakepay account using your username and password. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Ethereum section of your account. This is usually found on the dashboard or under the Wallets tab. Next, click on the Send button, which is typically located next to the Receive button. A new window will pop up where you need to enter the recipient's Ethereum address. Make sure to enter the address correctly as Ethereum transactions are irreversible. You can also add a note or description to the transaction for your own records. After entering the recipient's address, you need to specify the amount of Ethereum you want to send. You can choose to send a specific amount or use the maximum available balance. Be aware that Shakepay may charge a small fee for the transaction, which will be deducted from the amount you are sending. Before confirming the transaction, review the details to ensure everything is correct. Check the recipient's address, the amount you are sending, and the transaction fee. If everything is correct, click the Confirm button to send the Ethereum. The transaction will then be processed and verified on the Ethereum blockchain. It is essential to keep in mind that Ethereum transactions can take some time to be confirmed. Depending on the network congestion and the fee you paid, you can track the status of your transaction on the Ethereum blockchain using a block explorer. Always make sure to follow best practices when sending cryptocurrency, such as verifying the recipient's address and keeping your account secure.